We are live. Friend, you make it on Friday. Yeah. Alrighty. Today is going to be a short one, guys. Today is going to be let's see. Good. Yeah. A bit down. Yo.
Bro.
Oh yeah, you guys, I was muted. Let me head to the bathroom real quick, guys. I just finished something that I was doing at work. Uh, give me just a minute. I shall be right back. You were right, brother. You were right. Let's see. Um, see if I can put this here, guys. I shall return. Let's see. See if I can share my screen. Let me know if you guys can see it. Hey, hang on a sec. You keep on fighting to the end. All right, let's see. Give me one quick sec. There you go. All right. Okay. There you go, guys. Okay, you guys. I forgot to put this in mute. And we are here. Okay. Who's on? Hey, Stacy. Good to see you back, Stacy. How are you? Everybody say hello to Stacy. Say hello to Juan as well. Love kicks. We're gonna have a very short one today, guys, because I have to head out for a trip. So one of the things that I wanted to talk about that I wasn't really clear in our last video is the concept. I know I spoke a little bit about the concept of options. What I wanted to show you today is the different strategies in which you can use options. Okay, there are different strategies that you can use options, and there are a few examples that are really, really easy to use when it comes to options. And there is a way here in this platform as to how to use how to use kind of like a whiteboard thing, but I really don't know how to use it. But the example that I wanted to show you. Let me see if I can use this here. If I can use this here, the example that I wanted to give you is, say for instance, that you buy, let me take this out of here. And I promise you, this guy's gonna be really easy. Let's say that you want to buy the vehicle for investment that we're gonna use. Let's say this is a house, for example. Really bad example, but let's say this is a house. Let's say a Tesla. This is a Tesla car, right? Let's say that the way options work, okay, the value of this Tesla is, let's say, is $100. Let's call it, guys. Sorry. Let's say the value for this Tesla is $100, right? $100. The way options work is that if you want to buy a call, right? Remember that options is a contract that gives you the right to buy 100 shares at a specific value. And remember that options have a premium, they cost something, and they have an expiration date, right? If you say in 3 months, I'm gonna buy this option of Tesla, and the intrinsic value is $100, right? Because you speculate that in 3 months it's gonna be higher, then you're buying the option of acquiring this Tesla car. Let's pretend that this is a Tesla car. I'm gonna draw a car for you guys here. This is a Tesla car. Don't forget, okay? This is a Tesla car. Let me see, guys. I cannot see your comments, so let me go back. Okay. No comments yet. So in this example, you are saying, you know what? The expiration date for this Tesla is going to be in 3 months, right? So we're gonna write here expiration date. 3 months from here is what? April, May? April, May, June, right? So it's June. Let's say it's June 2nd. That's the expiration date. So that means if the value of Tesla, if the value of Tesla, let me see if I can see it here. If the value of Tesla and the expiration date goes up, right? So I wanted to have this ready for you guys, but let's see here. Say if at expiration date, the value of Tesla is, say, $150. Okay. So that means that at expiration date, you bought a call for this. So you made $50 call option. So what that means is that, you know, because you were writing your assumption at the end of the expiration date, remember all options have an expiration date. You bought the option for this, and that contract gives you the right to really sell this Tesla at 150. And So you will have the option. You don't have to exercise your option, okay? You could buy it at $100 and you can retain it because you bought it at $100, but the current market value right now is 150. You don't have to exercise that right. Remember that the contract gives you the right to buy this Tesla at $100. But at expiration date, though, it was higher than $100. So you don't have to exercise this right. You could buy it not at current market price, but you can buy it at $100 because that was your contract. You don't have to exercise that. You could very well just grab this and sell it at 150. Okay, I hope that makes sense. That example, when you buy a call option, that's the idea. Usually, if the value of the asset is $100, chances are, and I'm not going to get into that, is that the call option is going to be really a fraction of that price. That's why if you buy a share of Tesla right now, Tesla is I'm going to tell you how much is Tesla price right now is $658. 658. So if you buy a contract of Tesla, you multiply that for 100, and that will be $6,580. Okay. See, Stacy is breaking the super chat here. We can see what you're showing us. Oh, no way. I was not showing that all along. Oh my goodness. Right here. Can you guys see it now? So what I was saying is, this is a call option. I'm so sorry, guys. I was just talking about myself there. So the option, if you buy a call option, remember it gives you the right to buy an asset to the price that you enter the position at market price. For instance, in this case, we're gonna say in this case it's gonna be 750, for instance, right? So when you buy a call option, your assumption is bullish, right? Is your assumption is that the stock market is going to go up. Now the expiration date here is going to be 3 months in advance. That means that you speculate that the stock option for Tesla is going to go up. Remember that when you buy an option, the price of the option moves parallelly. It moves with the price of the stock, right? If you buy a call option for Tesla, your call option contract is going to go up as the stock moves up, right? If you bought a 658, right, and at expiration date, the stock for Tesla ends up at 750, then that means that you made there almost $100, right? Just shy of $8 to make $100. So you don't have to exercise this option, meaning that you have the option, you have the right to, even though the stock is right now in June at 750, you have the right to buy it at 658. So you have this premium here that you paid, but you could very well sell it at 750 for almost $100 profit per share. So those are the kind of strategies that I utilize, guys. Let me see if I can take this away. I'm sorry, I was talking to myself there. So I hope that example makes sense. Now I could show you a few. Let me see. Let me see. Maybe I do have Thinkorswim here that I can show you guys. I post a link on my last stream. I post a link on the platforms that I'm utilizing to make my trades. So make sure that in that link there's an option for you to trade with paper trade. You guys probably know what paper trade is. Paper trade is fake money that the stock market gives you in order for you to be able to practice in the stock market, okay? So make sure that you have that. And let me see if I can show you here, paper trade. So that way you don't have to use real money, so you can practice, okay? You can practice with fake money just to place your trades. Oh, here it is, paper trading. Perfect. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna share my screen here so you can see what I'm talking about. Stacy, thank you so much for the super chat again. Let me know, guys, if you can see this here. Okay, you see that it says, it says paper trading here. See? Paper trade account, it gives you $1 million so you can fake trade. If you can see here, and I'm gonna show you, for instance, Stacy, you said Amazon, right? The ticker for Amazon is AMZN, I think. Yeah, here it is. If I want to trade Amazon, right? Let's do let's do options. So as you can see here, the pattern with Amazon is going all the way up. Okay, so you can see here how Amazon is going all the way up. And here what I'm doing is just setting some parameters just for me to delineate the pattern here for Amazon, right? So you can see here, this is the pattern, right? Based on this pattern here, guys, I don't know if it's too small. Let me see if you guys are saying. Yes, yeah, that's like play money. That's exactly right, Stacy. It's like play money. I can literally place a position right now. It's not going to get filled because while this is fake money, play money, if it works as if the market is the real market, right? Right now, if I place in a position, it's not going to get filled because the markets are closed right now. So I love pattern trading. If you can see here, you can totally predict based on this pattern that the Amazon is an uptrend. Now it's very important here that you select, in this is the time frame. Here is 1 minute, meaning that this movement, every candle represents a minute, right? So if you take 1 week W, every candle here represents a week. So you can see that goes from April all the way to November in the future. But if it's 1 minute, it goes throughout the day. You see, 2:15, 2:30, 2:45, 3:15, and so forth, so on. So every candle represents a minute, and you have 2 minutes, you have 5 minutes, and then if I take a month here, you can see how Amazon jumped in the month of from 2019 to 2021. Amazon is just on the rise. It's not a good example to use because Amazon is completely volatile. It's just on the rise, and Amazon is worth over $3,000, guys. You can see here the price for Amazon is $3,161. For you to acquire a share, that's one share of Amazon. So if I do Snapchat, that is also one of the accounts that I trade. Snapchat, I used to trade it when it was like, look, 13, 7. It was one time, it was like $5. You can see it here. Look here on the right, the price. It was $6, and now look all the way up. So this is why, guys, I wanted to show you the opportunities of trading here. And again, you don't have to spend $54 a share to trade this. Okay? If you want to do a pepper trade, here, if you want to buy, right? Let's say you want to buy. I'm gonna do options again. So here, these are the indicators. Like if you wanna, the indicators really help you to leverage, right? See, the indicators kind of like something to complement historic data from the movement of this, or every company, every ticker, how investors call it. See here, it tells you here that at any moment, this stock is going to, based on historic data, is just gonna come back down. If you see here already, the red candle is starting to come down, but then there is another green candle here forming. I don't know if I could make this bigger. I wish I could make this bigger. Let me see. Right here. Okay, guys. So anyways, I don't want to keep long on this, but I wanted to show you, if you check on the links that I posted on the last video, you're going to see a link for this platform as well as for Robinhood. And again, both of them, they give you the opportunity to use paper trade money so you can place positions. Okay. Paper trade in here. Do you guys have any questions? Ooh, Stacy. Stacy. See, I see it went high, but do you think it will crash? No, I wouldn't say it will crash, Stacy, but in any moment though, it could come back down, because that's the movement of the market. It's not always like straight up. There's always corrections. There's something that happens in the market that brings any certain account down. I know what a strangle is, life for a business. I know what strangle is. Those are the different trading styles on options that I will talk about in the channel, but in the future. For now, I want to talk about the fundamentals and the basics of trading. I know what I don't call it. I know where ratio spread is. Yeah, dude, I know. Calm down. I know what it is. Calm down, brother. I know what it is, and I'm going to talk about it as we progress in this, our Friday's talk. So calm down. I know what it is. Love you, brother. Thank you so much for coming in. Hey, if you want to come in with me, I can feature you, man, and you can talk about it with me about options. Stacy, do you have any questions? I don't know if Juan left already, but oh, guys, I'm sorry that I have to cut this video short, but I'm ready to head out for the weekend. And Stacy, what is your YouTube channel again? I looked you up by your prank girl's nick, by your handle, but if you give me your YouTube channel handle, Stacy, I will definitely check you out. Don't leave without giving me your YouTube channel. I'll probably cut this one short, you guys. Um, do you guys have any questions? Anything else that I can? Oh, you're in TikTok by the same? Let's see. You guys, if you have any questions. Okay. All right, Stacy, I'm gonna look you up and I'm gonna follow you there. Um, okay, for sure. Definitely gonna look you up. Do you guys? Oh wow, you have a lot of views. Wait, that's hashtag, right? There's so many. All right, guys, you got it. You done? Yeah. All right, guys, I will definitely keep in touch. Stacy, thank you so much for stopping by. Life for Business. Thank you, guys. Juan, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Sorry that I had to cut this video short, but I will try to do another live on Monday or Tuesday. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for coming on, and I'll see you soon. Bye.